Welcome back to my channel Herbal Health and Vitality. If you're new, I hope you join my wonderful community. I'm Sally, and today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of mushrooms. From their ancient history to their incredible health benefits, and even how you can grow them right at home. There's so much to explore and learn. Mushrooms have been celebrated for centuries, not just for their culinary delights, but for their potent medicinal properties. Whether you're a seasoned mushroom lover or just curious, stick around. I've got a ton of exciting information to share with you. Let's start with the amazing health benefits. Mushrooms are little powerhouses of essential nutrition. Here are 5 incredible reasons to add them to your daily diet. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Mushrooms contain selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. 2. They boost the immune system. Certain mushrooms, like shiitake and maitake, are known to enhance your immune response. 3. They support brain health. The lion's mane mushroom has been shown to improve cognitive function and memory. 4. They're high in vitamins and minerals. Mushrooms are a great source of B vitamins, which help keep your energy levels up, and vitamin D, which is essential for bone health. And 5. They aid in weight management. They're low in calories but high in fiber, making them a great addition to any balanced diet. Mushrooms have been used medicinally for thousands of years. In traditional Chinese medicine, reishi mushrooms were called the mushroom of immortality. They were believed to promote longevity, reduce stress, and improve overall health. In modern times, medicinal mushrooms like chaga and cordyceps are praised for their immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies even suggest that certain mushrooms can help fight cancer and improve heart health. The history of mushrooms in medicine is rich and varied. In ancient Egypt, mushrooms were considered a delicacy and were believed to bring long life. The Greeks used them to give warriors strength in battle, while in China, they were used to treat various ailments for over 2,000 years. The healing properties of mushrooms have been recognized across different cultures, making them a true global treasure. Did you know you can grow your own mushrooms at home? It's easier than you might think. All you need is a mushroom growing kit, which you can find online or at your local garden center. Simply follow the instructions, and in a few weeks you'll have fresh mushrooms ready to harvest. If you're more adventurous, you can try growing them from spores, but kits are a great place to start for beginners. Whether you're looking for fresh mushrooms, dried varieties, or even medicinal mushroom supplements, there are plenty of options. Check out your local farmer's market for the freshest picks, or visit specialty health food stores. If you prefer shopping online, many websites offer a wide range of organic mushrooms and mushroom products. Now let's talk recipes. Mushrooms are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can sauté them with garlic and herbs for a delicious side dish, or add them to soups and stews for extra flavor. My personal favorite is a creamy mushroom risotto, perfect for a cozy dinner. If you're looking for something lighter, try a mushroom salad with a balsamic vinaigrette. The possibilities are endless. Beyond the kitchen, mushrooms are also used in holistic wellness. Mushroom extracts are popular in skincare for their anti-aging properties, and mushroom teas are a soothing way to enjoy their benefits. Reishi, for example, is often used to reduce stress and promote better sleep. Incorporating mushrooms into your daily routine can be a simple and effective way to support your overall well-being. And now, a little extra tip. We'll explore the numerous benefits of mushroom coffee and provide a simple, easy-to-follow recipe to make it at home. Mushroom coffee combines the energizing effects of regular coffee with the incredible health benefits of medicinal mushrooms. To make mushroom coffee, you'll need 1 cup of freshly brewed coffee, 1 teaspoon of mushroom powder, such as reishi or chaga, and a sweetener of your choice if you prefer. Simply mix the mushroom powder into your coffee, add sweetener if desired, and enjoy a delicious health-boosting beverage that's perfect for any time of day. We have explored the different kinds of mushrooms and what each is good for. From the common button mushroom to the exotic shiitake, each type has unique properties and benefits. Button mushrooms are great for boosting your immune system, while shiitake mushrooms are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Oyster mushrooms are excellent for heart health, and reishi mushrooms are often used for their calming effects. I have really enjoyed the world of mushrooms, and there is so much more to explore. Let's dive into the fascinating world of vitamins and herbs together. and discover their amazing benefits. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Herbal Health and Vitality and come back for more amazing videos.